Yo, it's your boy Trey, and I'm giving you another video, man. Let's get in a bit.
She belongs to the streets.
First place, ain't no running up, yeah. Talk it down, and we running up, yeah.
So for today's video, we're gonna be reacting to Stunna for Vegas, Boat for Vegas. So with Lil Yachty. So this gonna be a fire song. I'm already saying I heard a snippet or whatever, but I heard it on Stunna for Vegas. He posted on his Instagram the song with him and Lil Yachty, and bruh, first time I heard it, I was like, bruh, this shit needs to drop. So he dropped it today. My God, Lil Yachty, Stunna for Vegas. That's a fire duo, if you ask me. So I'm ready for this song. But before we get into the video, I want to give all y'all a shout out. You feel me? Shout everybody out that subscribed to me, that like my videos, that rock with me, that comment under my videos. I really want to thank y'all. You feel me? We almost close to 300 subscribers, so I just want to say thank y'all for leading me up to this point right now. So I can't wait once we get to 300, then 400, then 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, then 1,000, bro. As soon as we hit 1,000, bro, I'm telling you, I'm gonna do a giveaway or something. I'm telling you, but just want to say thank y'all. If you're new to my channel, you feel me? You never, and this is your first time watching it. My name is Trey. I make reaction videos, prank videos. I also make funny moment videos, a Fortnite with me and my friends. That's sometimes though, but I make different type of videos. I'm really trying to blow up on this YouTube. I want to be different from everybody else. I want to make different videos. I don't want to keep making the same videos. So yeah, if you're new, please hit that like button, please subscribe, please share this video, all of that good stuff. Turn on post notifications. But also have an announcement. I'm going to start working, so I won't make videos usually like how I'm doing right now. I won't make it every week. I'm gonna make it like every 2 weeks or something. Still gonna be on my grind. Still want to make come true, make this happen. I'm gonna try my best. I'm dealing with school, YouTube, working, and I'm going to start driving soon. So I got 4 things in my mind right now. I'm gonna quit talking and I'm gonna jump straight in the video. Hope y'all like, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what y'all thought about the video. Turn on post notifications. Follow all my social medias, and begin a bit. Alright, I got the video pulled up, but before we, get in a bit, I want to say shout out to my boy Quez that put me on with Stunna for Vegas. I remember in math class, we wasn't doing we was putting each other on with different type of music. So he showed me Stunna for Vegas. He showed me the song he showed me was Double D's. And at first I was like, it's cool. After class, I started playing it more and more. I was like, bro, I'm really, this song. So that nigga really put me on with Stunna for Vegas. Yeah, we're going, we're going straight, hop straight in that bit, Let go. Let go, real ghosts. Oh.
I'm a big boss. I blew the back in on the wristwatch. Bust down in my shit, do not tick tock. I ain't talking to you, bitch. I'm letting that stick talk. I ain't finna rap beat, fuck hip hop. You can put it in the box before you hear me lip box. This week I'm more gas than a pit stop. A nigga get smacked, we ain't going for no slick talk.
But that jacket fun.
Then make a wall. Color the game, white chalk. It's I'm fucking bitch, this not a TED talk.
That nigga Lil Yachty ugly as hell.
Need another and another. Fuck your sister, I want your grandmother. Nigga, she older but close to your brother. You tryna hurt him. Tryna hurt him cause I overheard him. Talking shit about the game, we gon' burn him. Gotta play a little boy, you a red shirt. Acting gangster gon' get your little feelings hurt. Got a jerky little bitch poppin' hella perks. Started a deal, I had to move mama first. Cause I'm in the streets and still putting work. Mother nigga and smoke him and won't think. I keep that bitch coming back like a dope fiend. 20 racks on him and the whole team. Giving me money was the wrong thing to do. Cause I'm trying to get all my outstinks. This XD hit like Ali. I pray a fuck nigga come try me. I'm going bar, I'ma catch me a body. Double C's on my kick, bitch. But I am not a crip. I bleed red like I slit my wrist. She eats a dick like a dinner dish. Come down there one way, flip the whip you in. You gotta sign out for a membership. What else is we saw for that rapper shit? Nigga reach at my neck, I'ma whack a bitch. If the booty you peach, I'ma crack the bitch. Try to step from the boat, I'ma smack the bitch. Whack the bitch, make her call, they gon' sack the bitch. Bitch, I was sleeping on mattresses. Bitch, now I'm sleeping with actresses. And I talk like a motherfucking
now I'm sleeping with actresses.
Ooh, my nigga's active. And my bitch said she want a new ass lift. When her ass lift, told her go drive lift. And she mad cause I'm fucking up sex lift. But I can't give $1 to no bitch. We ain't going back and forth, we crashing. You gon' die if you callin' on smoke, bitch. I just put off the lot with no mileage. I still gon' slide in the focus. I got the world wide open. Everything I say, they quote. Off the top, nigga, no, I ain't rude.
That nigga Lil Yachty got them baggy ass pants.
No ratchet, I need a Karuchi. Ass fat like Rennie Rucci. Nigga eat dick, I won't buy no Gucci. Nigga beef with us to get spooky. For your scary ass, you stupid. I won't leave without my tooth. Every nigga with me strapping, every nigga gon' shoot it.
Shit, that's it. That was it. I really rock with that song. That shit was fire as hell. Stunna for Vegas and Lil Yachty. That's a good ass duo. No cap. Oh, y'all like, subscribe. Let me know what y'all thought about the video. Turn on post notifications. Follow all my social medias. Share this video with your friends, with your family members, with your dog, with your cat, with your fish. You know, everybody. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It's been your boy Trey. I'm out there, big.
I've been waiting so long. Broski serving time, he been gone for so long. And I promise I'ma do this.